Mounting and installing CCTV server cabinet. The following tools and materials are needed to install the CCTV server cabinet. CCTV server cabinet. Wood screw, screwdriver or battery-operated drill, level bar. Refer to the layout plan for the required measurements. Mark and lay out the height of the CCTV server cabinet using horizontal lines. Extend the lines using a spirit level. Make a vertical line to get the exact location of the CCTV server cabinet. Extend the marking again using a level bar. Mark all mounting holes provided on the wiring board of the CCTV server cabinet. Place the CCTV server cabinet on the marking. Fix the CCTV server cabinet with 2 wood screws to make sure that the alignment is straight or level. Check the vertical and horizontal alignment. Then fix the CCTV server cabinet with the remaining screws.